All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today we're going to be installing these two screen protectors from Test Launch, and you can save 10% off with code TFIG. And we have the rear screen protector here too, which comes with a nice little vent cover as well. What's really nice with these two screen protectors is they come with a little border that covers the edge of both screens as well. So that's pretty cool, so that you get not only the glass protection for the screen, but you get the bumper protection for the screen too, which is great for protecting from any sort of scratches that might happen and any sort of impacts to the side of the screen. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, just opening up the box here. And we can see we have the huge screen protector with bumper. And they do have different colored bumpers. Of course, I went with the black one to make it more uniform. You know, most of the interior is black, so it'd be cool having the black bumper there instead of the silver here. So that'll look nice and flush with the rest of the screen. They do give us a wet wipe here, so we're going to go ahead and wipe this down, and then we will dry it off with the microfiber to get off any remaining dust. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to display, put the screen in screen clean mode. This way we can see exactly what we're working with here in terms of dust and all. Get really as much of any oils off the screen as possible. And this screen protector is for both the Model 3 Highland and the Model Y Juniper. You can install on either car you want. I was originally going to put it in the Model Y, but I already had put on a different screen protector first and wanted to protect this screen also in the Model 3. So we went with this one for the Model 3. Okay, I got off as much as I could with the wet wipes. Now I'm going to use the microfiber cloth to get off as much dust as possible. And we just have a lot of dust here in general in the area. So wipe off as much as I can. Try to not get any more on. By the time I take off the backing for the screen protector here, fortunately it looks like we're still getting some dust on the screen. So obviously you want zero dust when you're doing this. Okay, I'm going to pull the screen backing off, and I'm going to dust off the screen one more time after I pull this backing off, just to be 100% sure that there's no dust on here. We don't want any dust at all. And what's nice with this screen protector having the border is you can line it up perfectly to the screen here. And looks like we're dust free at this moment, so let's go ahead and stick it on as fast as we can and just clamp it on there. Perfect. Now we can just push this on. The screen protector will adhere. And we can pull that off. And that's it. Simple as that. I don't even see any bubbles. This is a really easy to use screen protector. And gives you that bumper protection on the edges like I told you. So the screen protector is a little different than other ones I've used in the past. It's a lot more glossy, I'll say that. But let's use the microfiber here just to see what we did. We're in screen cleaning mode. Again, this is an all black screen right now in the screen cleaning mode, so let's turn this off. But we can see we have zero air bubbles. Usually it takes a while to get all the air bubbles out and stuff, but we have zero dust underneath the screen. That's why I was wiping this off, just to make sure. Can even do this too, just to get the dust off even easier. You can see zero dust here, and that is perfect. It is a little bit different of a screen protector than normal. It's not like a flush one. It is a little glossy, like I said. So just know that. Let's go ahead and exit out of screen cleaning mode, see what it looks like with the normal screen. Yeah, it's definitely very glossy. I'll say that. Usually the screen protectors I get are kind of the same finish as the screen, but they're also anti-fingerprint coating. So this one does look like it has the anti-fingerprint coating, which is maybe why it's so glossy. But again, it gives you a nice little border around the screen. And they do have different colors. They have a clear one, they have I believe a silver one, and a black one. I'll post up the website description here so you can see. And there we go, the front one's all done, so let's go to the rear now. Alright, so we have the rear screen protector here. And this one looks pretty simple too. This one has a nice bumper cover. This is really good if you have kids in the back. You don't want them to damage the leather around here or any of the trim, the plastic trim, and scuff it up, you can just go use this and it covers it right up, and it has some nice little design here for the air vent. So let's go ahead and wipe this down with a cloth, but we're going to put it in clean mode first, just like that. This one's a lot smaller, so it's way easier to clean than the front one, and way easier to keep the dust off as well. Okay, you can basically peel this off now. I'm just going to check for dust one more time before we stick it on, and it looks perfect. So let's go ahead and stick this on. Just like that. Perfect. It looks pretty OEM. Like I said, the screen's very glossy. No air bubbles either, which is really nice. I'm really surprised with the fact that there's no air bubbles. Yeah, and it looks great. Let's go back to how this normally looks. Okay, and we have this little vent cover here with the nice little design. This looks super OEM. The plastic is very premium plastic here. Yeah, there it is. It looks super awesome. And you have your screen protector just like that. Zero air bubbles again. Zero dust under the screen. Good to go. Get a little closer look at it here. Like I said, very glossy, but actually from the back here, once it's off the black screen, you don't notice the gloss as much anymore. You really see the gloss when the screen is in the screen cleaning mode. And then here's the front one from the passenger side too. So yeah, it looks super OEM. You don't even know that this is a screen protector. And yeah, it's on there. It's stuck. So awesome. All right, everyone. So there you have it. This is, again, the screen protectors, both front and back, for the Tesla Model Y Juniper and the Tesla Model 3 Highland. These both have the bumper on them, as you can see. Very nice. They are a little bit of a different type of screen protector than what I usually use. Again, these look more like the original style screen protectors that are very glossy with the bumper as well. So this is better, like, you know, if you have kids, or maybe if you're in an Uber and you don't want people scuffing up some of the leather and things like that. So if you're doing any sort of ride sharing service, but these will just help protect the car. And I think the black is sleek. I almost wish it was a matte black instead of a gloss black, because again, how shiny it is. But if you do like that shiny look, it is a lot different. And I'll wiggle the screen here, tilt it so you can see the shine. So there you go. Again, you can save 10% off with my code TFIG on testlaunch.com. And these are already cheap enough, so the extra 10% off is just some bonus points. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to all my videos, and thank you for watching. See you next time.